If you're suddenly kicked out of a match with the server closed due to an unexpected error in Overwatch 2, don't panic. This is a common issue, and it's usually caused by connection drops, corrupted files, or temporary server problems. Let's fix it step by step. First, restart the game and battle.net. Completely close the game and exit Blizzard Entertainment battle.net. Wait a few seconds, then reopen battle.net and launch Overwatch 2 again. This refreshes your connection to Blizzard servers. Next, check your internet connection. Restart your router and avoid using VPNs or network boosters. An unstable connection can cause the server to close mid-match. Now, scan and repair the game files. In battle.net, select Overwatch 2, click the gear icon, then choose Scan and Repair. Corrupted files are a very common reason for unexpected server errors. After that, check firewall and antivirus settings. Make sure Overwatch 2 and battle.net are allowed through your firewall. Temporarily disabling antivirus can help confirm if it's blocking the game. Also, update your graphics drivers and Windows. Outdated drivers or missing system updates can cause sudden disconnects. If the issue keeps happening, check Blizzard server status. Sometimes the problem is server-side, and waiting is the only solution. In most cases, these steps fix the error and let you play without interruptions.
If this tutorial saved you time, like the video, subscribe to LearnBase, and ask your next question below.